Okay, so we just got some swag. Check this out. This is a mints container. Wait, let's get it the right way. So, boom. Um, Thin Mints. It says the freshest database DX out there. And you might think, okay, cool, a pack of mints. I get fresh breath at conferences for sure, but do you know how hard this thing is to open? Like, so there's what I can see is there's a hinge right here. Come on. So there's a hinge right here, and there's this thing, right? So I'm assuming you like. I've spent like 15 minutes on this, and so I figured I'll just make a video, and I want you to watch me struggle to open this. That's what this channel has come to. I'm not even trying to like entertain you. I just really just want to open this. How? So, like, look. Do I put my do I put my fingernails in between the space, or like? I don't get it. It's driving me nuts. Can you imagine giving this to someone at a conference and you're like, hey, enjoy breath mints, and they're actually in for torture? I'm sure at the end of it there's going to be some really easy way to open this, and this whole video will be for nothing. Do I bite it? You'd like to see me bite it, wouldn't you? That's only on my OnlyFans account. So my new strategy is to take this crease here, go from here, like from the edge, kind of just get my fingernail through, see if that would work. So, ooh, it's actually working. This might be it. Oh, almost. Okay, let's try that again. So just run my fingernail through the inside, and man, we're so close. I don't know, there's something about watching people struggle online, Figured I'd let you watch me struggle. I can't. This is like. Okay, this might be it. Let's just. Oh! It's kind of open. Oh my word. It's almost. Why? Are you like sealed or something? I'm talking to a container of mints. Look at this. Look, wait. Let's see if I can. Do you see this here? Look. It's like open. Almost. Yes, I'm wearing green shorts. You may have seen that on the. Oh! Alright, I think I got it. I mean, here. It's like cracked open a bit. Okay. Almost there. I got a mint out. Mint for you. Pretty good. Why is this partially open? This is the current status of the system. So partially open, but it goes up to this thing and it's like forced closed. Why are you like this? I don't understand. Oh, that is not an opening like lip. It's actually a hinge. Okay, let's close this up and try again. I'm an engineer, trust me. Mints are like falling out of this now. Okay. Shout out Towery, by the way. I don't get it. Oh shit. I said a word, now I'm demonetized. I'm so confused. Okay, so this is clearly, this must be, my new thing is this here, so this is a hinge and this is some type of locking mechanism. This is what I suspect. Oh, mints all over my floor. Okay. So if you are a locking mechanism, how do I unlock you? Oh! It's like this. So you just close, I think, and open. Okay, got it. I'm gonna get a new one and see how it works. BRB. Get a giant art, so that's the one. Okay, so now, if I understand correctly, this thing right here, that is the hinge. So if I just do something like, it's like a Pez dispenser. Look, it it like actually contains a mint when you. Oh, this is pretty cool. So nice. So the whole thing doesn't actually open. It just like dispenses, and then you close it. How do you close it? Wait, I think you close it just by. Oh, nice. Okay, so we have open, close. Woo! This has been a pleasure. High quality content. Like, subscribe. Peace.